So this is Peter. Huh? And this adventure was us last episode. In a couple of days, we're still gonna. And this is it. Our off-camera work. So this will be supposed to be Joshua, but apparently Joshua doesn't wanted to. So like, so like, I'm gonna be solo here for a while. What the frick did just Joshua do? He doesn't want to record, because I don't know about him, but he just says he doesn't want to record. But I did even. I have a little cold, guys. So okay. So what am I supposed to do? What am I gonna do? Okay, I know what to do. Don't be killed. Yeah, don't be killed. Yeah, yes. Get her. No. Okay. So should I mine or just assemble a house? Oh yeah. By the way, guys, we have done doing some off-camera work and we found a village. So in next episode, we'll start mining. I hope, or maybe not. But let's just hope we will. Okay, so what is this? Fucking up. There's no freaking villagers here, no? Okay, who was disassembling this house? I was disassembling this house. You know, right? Yeah, like, shit, I'm lagging. For you to know. I'm going to disassemble it again. Oh, fuck. But next episode will surely be sure Joshua will cooperate. There's plenty of scented videos, but I have no because I love the fans. You guys, I got the nature. Yeah, by the way, I still have the cold. Next episode we'll hope to mine. And tomorrow we're not gonna record. Sunday we're not gonna record. Monday we're not going to record. But on Tuesday we are going to record. We're going to record on. We're going to record. Yeah, we're going to record on Tuesday, but not. We're not gonna record on. We're not gonna record on. Oh fuck! This girl is giving me the blister. What? Okay, I can do this. All I have to do is get the ladders. Yes, yes. Oh, oh no, no, oh no, oh. What an amazing set of you. Okay, this now on. No, sorry. On. Wait. Okay. On Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we're not gonna record due of our vacation. But on Tuesday to Sunday next week, that will be full videos about this adventure map. So apparently that's all. Oh, I'm hungry. Okay. Oh, motherfucking shit! I get going. I'm just gonna buy some camisole and I just this shit. Okay, uh, how to shit. Okay, let's do clear. Oh, sorry. Clear, clear. Oh! Okay, I did not know. I thought that was a freaking shit. Oh, fuck. I thought it was clear the winner. Motherfucker. Oh, shit. Not good with the birds, so I just gotta get all those items back. Fuck! Shit. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. I did not know that was going to happen. Shit. Damn. Where's fucking era? Oh fuck yes, yes. Wait. So okay. I did not know what will happen. I accidentally cleared my stuff, but it's alright. I just. Oh fuck. Why did I have it and I checked this before? I should have checked this before. Okay, Joshua was here. Yay, say hi. Hi. You just said, okay, we will play, but I suggest no. We'll just record together on Tuesday because on Saturday, no, because on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday we will not record. But on Tuesday next week and on to Sunday, we will record fully. Yeah, a full Tuesday to Sunday next week record, and we will be sure to
Where's
that.
our house?
Shut up, Joshua. Let's just do some off-camera work tomorrow. Okay. We will not record tomorrow because we didn't want you guys to, we'll just take a break. But we'll do some off-camera work tomorrow. But on Sunday, nah. Okay. Back the house. That's just the announcement. I'm gonna do the announcement again for the final time. On tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday we will not record. And tomorrow is Saturday. And the next day of that is Sunday. And the next day of the Sunday is the Monday. And we will not record. But on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday next week we will record fully. And hopefully you guys will just fucking up TV. Okay, oh shit. Okay, bye. I just think I didn't do nothing. I was about to design a house, but I decided not to. And wait. So well, apparently I did not do anything, plenty things today. It's like I just did nothing. But at least I did this video for an announcement. And we found a village. Yeah. So goodbye, guys, and hope you appreciate us in that announcement. Goodbye.